Prepare your 5mm and 3mm hex wrench. Adjust tension control on 3 numerical panels with a 5mm hex wrench. Turn arrow to greater numbers to increase tension. Now open the door to the 90°. Door will accelerate and slam. To fix, adjust swing speed by turning toward negative. Open door to 90° and close. Notice slower swing speed, but latch speed remains fast. Door will slam slightly. To fix, adjust latch speed by turning toward negative. Open door to 90°. Notice swing speed remains fast, but latch speed becomes slower. One final step. Use 3mm hex wrench to fix all the settings by tightening the lock and screw. Final result. Door closes with speed control perfectly.